Greetings, everyone. My name is John Gagan. I'm a meteorologist out of the National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan office, and we're going to discuss what's happening with the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's the forecast depiction created on Sunday for the Tuesday-Wednesday time frame, which shows a swath of snow cutting across southern Wisconsin with a pretty heavy band towards the Illinois-Wisconsin state line. The forecast for today, however, looks much different. The expected swath of snowfall is much further to the south, with the heaviest amounts expected from northern Illinois into central Michigan, leaving southern Wisconsin on the northern edge of the lighter snow amounts. But what happened to our snow? Well, the snow will occur. It's just not necessarily going to occur here. It has shifted south into northern Illinois, leaving southern Wisconsin on the northern edge of the snow band. It's a great reminder that forecasts are not guarantees. They will change, and sometimes they will change drastically. The best is done with the information we have at the moment. Unfortunately, we know it will change as we get new observations. And as much as we all want precision and accuracy as early as possible, the science just isn't there yet. Each event has its own level of predictability. From the winter perspective, a mesoscale band of snow that affects just a small portion of a county or a lake effect snow band has very low predictability. On the other end of the spectrum, you can have what's our typical big snowmaker, the panhandle hook, which is low pressure that develops over the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas and moves to the northeast and gives us our heavier snows. That has usually a higher level of predictability with it. Unfortunately, this winter we've had a lot of events where predictability has been low to moderate at best. And we have to make do with what we have with the information that we have at the time, knowing that as we get new information, it will change. Forecasts have underlying uncertainty, and we do our best to communicate this. And it's good to understand how we are communicating with you, so we appreciate your feedback that you provide us on a daily basis. So what is the driver behind the change to the forecast? Well, it's the low pressure that's developed over Kansas and Oklahoma and moving across Missouri today. It is moving further south than previously forecast. As a result, this new information that's been fed into our computer models, these observations, are indicating that the low pressure that's over southeastern Wyoming and northern Colorado is also going to take a similarly further south track. So these observations are informing our models and informing the data we have, and as a result, the swath of snow is now further to the south, and southern Wisconsin is now on the very northern edge of the expected snowfall band. So here is our updated forecast. The winter storm watch has been canceled due to the heavy snow axis moving into northeastern Illinois. There still is a chance for light snow beginning late afternoon and evening on Tuesday across southeastern Wisconsin, and that'll last into Wednesday, ending around midday. Those that do experience snow can expect some snow-covered roads and some blowing and drifting possible. Whomever does get snow, it could potentially impact your drive in on Wednesday morning, so perhaps give yourself some extra time. Further to the northwest, we're expecting just a dusting to less than an inch of snow. And getting up towards the Dells, Lone Rock, and Fond du Lac, little if any snow is expected with this particular system now. So the main points, unfortunately, the storm track has shifted to the south, and with it, so goes the snow. The highest amounts have shifted into Illinois, and again, heads up if traveling south Tuesday and Wednesday. It's going to be impactful down in northern Illinois. There will be a sharp cutoff to the snow on the northwest edge of the snow. And light snow is still forecast in our southeastern counties, beginning late afternoon to early evening and ending around midday on Wednesday.